In this video, we will help you to connect and access database to Power BI. Shall we start? Welcome to MadeEasy. My name is Jane. Together with our dedicated team, we're here to make software learning simple and enjoyable. Explore our wide range of video tutorials for a seamless learning experience. Let's start the process of bringing in data from the Access database using the Get Data feature. Click on the Get Data button on the left side of the Power BI screen, and a window will open up. On the left side, you'll see various categories. Click on Database, where you'll find options for different databases. We're focusing on connecting an Access database, but the process is similar for other databases. Click on Access Database, which should be the second option from the top. Double-click it or select it and click the Connect button at the bottom. This will open your working directory. I'm going to connect to an Access database called Northwind. Select it and click Open. Power BI will connect to the database and open a Navigator window similar to when you import an Excel workbook. If you encounter an error message like this, check out our video on fixing Access database connection errors. The link is in the description. Databases can contain various objects like tables, queries, forms, reports, macros, and modules. In the Navigator, you'll see icons representing these objects. Queries have a double table icon, while tables have a single table icon. Sometimes the database will also have temporary tables in them. We'll focus on tables, which hold the data. Scroll down past any temporary tables to find the main tables. I'll select the Customers table, and you can preview its data on the right. Check the boxes for the tables you need. I'll skip Customers for now and select the other tables. In this Navigator window, there's a useful button called Select Related Tables in the lower left corner. Since databases already have table relationships, Power BI can automatically detect and select related tables for you. Click Select Related Tables, and Power BI will automatically select the related tables like Customers. Once you've selected your tables, click the Load button to import the data into Power BI. Power BI will evaluate the tables, create connections in the model, and load the data. The yellow band at the top indicates unsaved changes, which will disappear once the load process is complete. On the right, you'll see the imported tables in the data pane. That's everything for this video. Hopefully, you found it useful. Give us a thumbs up and explore more tutorials on MadeEasy. If you're new here, we'd love to have you join our online community. Thanks for joining us on this learning journey.